Hey!
Hey! We're the Sibs.
Hi everybody! Today we're going to be building the Donald Duck BrickHead. I'm really excited to build him. He's one of my favorite characters in the Mickey Mouse shorts. Really excited to build him. Let's get started! And here he is, the Donald Duck BrickHead. He was really hard to make because of the small pieces on it, but other than that, he looks really cool and detailed. I like how he's got a cute shirt right here and the hat. They did a really good job on this. Glad you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!